Hello, hi, welcome back to my channel. I am Pranita Sharma. Today we will discuss about swapping of values between two variables. Basically swapping करने का दो तरीका होता है, एक by using a third variable and second without using a third variable. इस वीडियो में we will write a program for swapping using a third variable. जैसे आपको यहाँ पे दिख रहा होगा, we have three boxes. We have the actual variables as your A, B is another variable, and temp. Temp is a temporary variable. So with the help of using these three variables, we are going to do the swapping of two numbers. तो इसका लॉजिक पहले समझ लेते हैं, फिर हम प्रोग्राम लिखेंगे. So basically let's take some examples. Say supposing variable A में we have a value say 8 और variable B में we have a value say 4. So हम जाएंगे step wise. Temp में क्या जाएगा, A का value. So A will be copied to temporary. So यहाँ पे जो value है 8 will be copied to temporary. Minded जब copy होता है वो डेटा पहले जहाँ था वो वहीं पे रहता है, वो चेंज नहीं होता है. So it will be something like this. The second step, now we'll have the value of B and A. So अब B का वैल्यू मूव हो जाएगा A में, और A में जो था previously वो हो जाएगा overwritten. So here this will be overwritten by B value. So 4 A में आ गया. Now what is there in the temp variable will be transferred to B. अब जो temp में है वो ट्रांसफर होके B में आ जाएगा और 4 जो वैल्यू था B में वो overwritten हो जाएगा. So this is our result. So previous case में क्या था, before swapping we had values, A में क्या था वैल्यू 8 and B में वैल्यू था 4, and after swapping we have A में वैल्यू है 4 and B में वैल्यू है 8. So I think the logic is quite clear. So let us start writing our program. We'll create a new class. Let's give the name of the class say swapping. Okay, double click on the class. So Control A, delete. We don't need all these things. So let's start class swapping. So let us write our main function. It's very important to write main function because when the compiler checks the program, it searches for the main function. It is the most important part. And if we do not write a main function, the compiler gets confused and is unable to understand what it should do or where it should begin with. So it's very important to write a main function. Since we are doing a program of swapping, we need three variables, so let us declare them. Variable A, B, and a temporary variable named temp. So we are going to ask the user the input. So we need a scanner class to take the input. So let's write it. Scanner, in is the object, new scanner. So we have used the scanner class, but we have not brought it. We have to import it. So let's do it. Import Java dot scanner. Okay. So we have imported it. We are going to use the scanner class. We need to prompt the user so that the user will give us an input. So we need to give a message to the user. So let's do it. System.out.println enter any two numbers. Okay, since the user is going to give us the input, we need to take the input. A equals to in dot next integer and B is equal to in dot next integer. Since both are of integer type, so we have taken the value from the user. So to make the program a little more clear for the user, let us print the values once again, saying that these are before swapping. So system.out.println So I'm going to use here /n. /n means it will go to the next line or a new line. So before swapping. We have to give the value of A. Again we are going to give the value of B. We are going to use a /n. B equals to and then plus with B. Okay. So this is going to give our values before swapping. So let us do some swapping. So I'm going to use a comment first. This double slash line indicates a comment. Now comments are very important while writing a program. Now basically they do not perform any task, but those are helpful in the documentation. And it's very important for students to write comments so that it will be helpful in the future when you refer back to the programs and also to another person who is looking at your program. Plus, there is marks allotted in the examination for the comments you write. So in one program, at least 3 to 4 comments are expected. And if you do not write them, the marks is cut. So let's write a comment swapping using third variable. Okay, now let us write the logic. The logic is we'll be taking the value from variable A and we are going to put it in temporary variable. Done. Now value from B will be taken and then we'll be putting it to variable A. And now whatever is in variable temporary variable, we are going to replace it in B. So this will lead to the swapping. So we are going to print back the value after swapping. So let me copy this, okay. Control V and then before swapping I'm going to write it here after swapping. So I think the program logic is quite clear. Let me give some space to indicate it properly. Okay, so let's compile it. No syntax error. Let's run the program. Enter 2 numbers. Okay, let me give 8 and 4. The one which we have taken previously. So before swapping, the value of A is 8 and value of B is 4. and after swapping the value of A is 4 and value of B is 8. See, the numbers are interchanged. So let us take another example. Now this time I will be taking a little bigger number. So say supposing 67 is one number and 98. So before swapping, value of A is 67 and value of B is 98, and after swapping, value of A is 98 and value of B is 67. So my program runs absolutely correct, and I hope this video was very helpful for. If you like this video, please do not forget to hit the like button. Please share as much as you can, and please do subscribe to my channel. We'll soon meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye.